Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. If you guys have a Kia Optima and you want to find out what are the symptoms of bad control arm bushings guys, how to know if control arm needs to be replaced, what are the signs of bad control arm bushings on Kia Optima, stay with us, we will explain that today. Also, two things you should always do when replacing control arm, make sure you stay until the end and we will explain what those two things are. Very important guys, otherwise your vehicle may be unstable and you may develop that problem very soon as well. Now let's go ahead and explain the symptoms of bad control arm bushings. So if you guys have a Kia Optima generation 2010 to 2015, that video should be helpful. It may be even helpful on the later generation because some things are interchangeable. Let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. In addition guys, all we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia Optima, we'll also share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy tools and parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. Another thing, if you guys want to see our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys, you can find quite helpful information for vehicles that can save you thousands of dollars guys, and we're approaching 400,000 subscribers, so we have videos that can save you quite a bit of money. So we have the front left control arm removed out of that Kia guys. Okay, let me turn that light there so we can see a little bit better. We have it removed. Okay, if you want to see a video how to remove and replace front control arm on Kia Optima, the video is on our channel. You have two bushings and one ball joint. The ball joint is right here and it connects to the steering knuckle. The two bushings are right here. One is on the front that goes right here and the other one is on the back and it will go right there. So bushings that can go bad usually guys, the front ones, they can develop a crack, they can break, they can develop a play. This one has just a little bit but not much. The front one is not too short. It has some play, some cracks you can see, okay, but nothing terrible guys, just a little bit, yeah, a little bit of play you can see. But the back one guys, okay, ours is shot. And that's where things get interesting because you can get quite a bit of tire movement. This bushing, okay, right here and here and here, everything is cracked. And if we flip it on the other side, you will see that it is broken again, right here. So what guys will what will cause that? Just being old, it's always under stress. Every time you accelerate, you stop, you will have wear on your control arm bushings, and when they crack and break, that's when they will need to be replaced actually guys. You will first start feeling a few symptoms and then at the end it will get worse and worse until they completely break off. So what are the symptoms now guys? Number one thing, you may hear noises coming from the suspension every time you hit a pothole, you accelerate or you brake, especially hard braking. First it will be like squeaking noise, you will hear it more when it's wet, that bushing is wet. You will feel a little bit of movement when you hit all of a sudden the brakes. You can, if you know your vehicle really well, you may kind of feel the tire moving a little bit. Also, this is because of cracked bushing guys, and you may start feeling vibrations in the steering wheel as well when you drive, and when you're especially braking, at high speed. Now, another thing guys, when they go out, you may hear really loud noises, clunking, banging noises from the suspension because it can sound like metal hitting, or you can have quite a bit of movement that will be actually even louder. And that movement guys of the control arm will actually offset the alignment of your vehicle, which will make it very unstable. You may feel your vehicle wandering off the road. You're trying to kind of like fighting to keep your Kia Optima on the road, so that could be because of bad bushings as well. And another thing, when the alignment is off, your wheel, your tire, will probably have wear as well. Tire wear could be caused because of bad control arm bushings as well. Those are some of the most common ones that we see here at the shop. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Now, if you have one bad, number one thing, you should always replace both control arms, because if one is bad, most likely the other one is going to be bad soon as well. Number two, every time you replace a control arm, take the car to to alignment shop. They need to do an alignment on it because it's part of the suspension and something may be moved and your alignment could be off. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.